Good morning everyone. As you know, I am your producer. Today I am going to take your science class of class 4. Hope you all are in good health and peace during this worldwide pandemic COVID-19. And we have to focus on our studies as well in this situation. So to overcome, we are trying to explain you your chapters with the help of online classes or other electronic medium. So hope you all will understand and enjoy this class. And class 4, your first chapter is food we eat. Food we eat. Why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? There are two reasons. First reason, to stay alive. To stay alive, our body needs nutrition, and to fulfill those nutritions, we have to eat food because nutritions are present in food. Second reason, to perform different physical activities. First reason is to stay alive. Second reason is to do different physical activities. This includes all our works: running, jumping, playing. Include your talking. Everything, whatever we are doing, we need energy, and energy is present in food. We get energy from food we eat. Now, the food we eat directly can't provide us energy. It is needed to be get digested, and digested food only provide us energy. Digestion occurs in our abdomen. Abdomen is having different parts. It includes our mouth, food pipe, also known as esophagus, stomach. After stomach there is small intestine. After that large intestine. Then rectum and anus. This all includes alimentary canal. In alimentary canal, entire process of digestion takes place. Clear? Now, when we are talking about why we eat food, we must have to understand about nutrients of food. What are nutrients of food? So, for understanding nutrients of food, try to understand components of food. These components from which food is made, these components are only known as nutrients. There are different types of nutrients present in food. They are, first one is a carbohydrate. carbohydrate. This carbohydrate is also of two types. One of them a glucose and B starch. These two forms provide instant energy. This component is also known as energy giving food. It provides us energy for doing any physical activity. This carbohydrate is needed by those people who are doing more physical activities. Who are the athletes? Laborers, they are doing more physical activities, so they need carbohydrate. Where do we get carbohydrate from? We get carbohydrate from foods such as potato, such as Sweet fruits. Sweet fruits include apple, banana, grapes. These are the foods in which we get carbohydrate. Glucose and sugar. These are also different forms of carbohydrate. From this also we get instant energy. Means after taking food, we begin to get energy. If we take glucose, this is also providing us instant energy. You are seeing Glucon-D. That Glucon-D is glucose. Glucose is type of carbohydrate. It provides us instant energy for doing all type of physical activities. Second component of food is B, fats. What is this fat? Fats are also energy giving food. But what is difference between carbohydrate and fat? When both are energy giving food, there must be some difference when they are classified differently. The difference is that fats provides us instant energy and carbohydrates provides us instant energy and fats are needed to be digested. After that we get energy. Fats are found in foods such as butter, ghee, oil, nuts, etc. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrate. Fat gives or provides us more energy than carbohydrate. And as I told, fats provides us more energy, but needed to be digested. Then only we get energy. That means we have to do physical activity to get energy from fats. Clear? Understood? Next component of food is protein. Proteins. C number. Proteins. Please keep it in mind. These both are energy giving food. Proteins. What are proteins? Body building food. This helps us in development of body. Body building food. Who needs more protein? When this is bodybuilding food, who needs more protein? You children need more protein. Because you are growing children and proteins are required for our body growth and to repair damaged cells of body. After injury also we need more protein to overcome from such injuries. Proteins are present in foods such as pulses. All pulses are having protein. So we must take protein because you all are growing children. Secondly, soya bean, milk, curd, cheese, buttermilk, ghee. These all type of foods are also having protein. Those who are non-vegetarian, they can get protein from meat and fish. Meat and fish also contains protein in there. Next component of food is vitamins and minerals. D number, vitamins and minerals. This group of food components are also known as protective food. they protect our body from various diseases. So these are also known as protective food. Now, when this is protective food, who needs such type of food protection? Elderly people, old age people, they are having more requirement of protective food. Their bodies are in old age, they are quite prone to several diseases. To protect their body from such diseases, they need more protective food. In which type of foods we get protective food? These are present in fresh fruits, green leafy vegetables. They all are having sufficient amount of vitamins and minerals which help elderly people to protect their bodies from different diseases. They do not give us energy and protect the diseases and keep our eyes, bones, all different parts of body disease free. So this is next next component of our food is, we have seen 4 points. What are they? Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, protein. Now we are going to discuss about another component which we are knowing as roughage. Roughage. What is this roughage? We all are peeling off vegetables, fruits, sometimes fruits also, which are not needed to be peeled off, but some of us are peeling them, such as apple and all. So in that peels, those peels are type of roughage. You should not avoid taking a roughage. Why? Roughage helps in digestion. Roughage do not provide any nutrition, but helps in the process of digestion, proper movement of intestines. That is known as bowel movement. In proper bowel movement, roughage helps. So we should take roughage. Every of children, adults, elderly people, all need roughage in their food. Roughage helps in the process of digestion. Another thing, all of you are listening, that is water. Roughage and water. Water also helps in the process of digestion. Why? Inside our body, there every time so many different type of chemical reactions takes place. Those chemical reactions are known as biochemical reactions. Bio means living reaction. When the reaction occurs within human body or any organism's body, such type of reactions are known as biochemical reactions. Every time different type of chemical reactions takes place within body, include our digestion. So in digestion of food, in your further classes you all will be able to understand which type of biological chemical takes place. But this biological chemical reactions needs presence of water. Without water, water acts as medium In the presence of water, those chemical reactions can take place. Helps in the process of digestion, keeps our body cool down, dilutes our blood. Otherwise, our blood is going to get thick inside body, and then we will not be able to breathe properly or do different type of activities. We will feel very lazy. So we are supposed to take sufficient amount of water every day in order to keep us healthy, and secondly it helps in the process of digestion. So this is the thing about roughage and water. So components of food, once again I am going to repeat. Please try to understand. At a glance I am trying to keep components of food. Please try to understand. As we have seen, first one is carbohydrate. Sources of carbohydrates are foods such as wheat, rice, potatoes, bread, etc. Function, these are the sources. Function is to provide energy. Second component is fats. Fats. Found in sources, found in milk, pulses. Fats are found in nuts, oils, cheese, butter, cream, ghee, etc. Function. What is function? What is function of fat? We have discussed is helps or provides energy. This also provides energy. And keeps our body warm. And fact you all are knowing now, this provide more energy, but you have to do more physical activity to get energy from fat. See, next component, next component is your proteins. Proteins sources are milk, pulses, curd, beans, mushroom, meat, fish, etc. From these sources we can achieve the requirement of proteins. Function helps in growth and repair of body part. Helps in growth and repair of body parts. They are also helping our body in growth of muscles. Growing children need this protein more. Next component of food is vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. Sources, fruits and vegetables. Sources, fruits and vegetables. So, fruits and vegetables helps our body in fighting against different types of diseases. Function, protect from diseases. Protect our bodies from various diseases. Hope all of you have understood components of food. Now, components of food you all are knowing, but it is also important to know that all components must be included in right amount as per requirement of our body. So when we will be able to understand the proper requirement of nutrients, we can stay healthy. And for understanding this, we have to understand about balanced diet. Next topic is a balanced diet. Balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? The diet which contain all the food nutrients in right proportion is known as balanced diet. Balanced diet keeps us healthy. A food pyramid which is given in your book in page number 9 in food pyramid shows one balanced diet. In balanced diet, in lower portion you all will be able to notice grain group. That means they are having more carbohydrate. That because of more carbohydrate, as you all of you are knowing now, carbohydrate is energy giving food. We all need more amount of energy. So carbohydrate group should be included more. Just above grain group, you all will be able to find vegetable and fruit groups. These are having required less than grain group, because this vegetable and grain group helps our body in proper. First function is because vegetables and fruits are having peels, pulps, they are having some amount of roughage. So roughage is also needed. And secondly, I told that fruits and vegetables contain vitamins which helps our body to fight against diseases. So they are having requirement, but they less than protein group. And after that, milk group and meat group is there, which contains protein, helps in bodybuilding. We need lesser than vitamins group. At last, on the top you can find miscellaneous type of foods which you all are eating, pizza, burger. They are also known as junk food. We need them in very less quantity. Our body don't need them, but you can take some of them because some amount of fat you are getting in that. Fat helps us to get energy. Take that miscellaneous group or other which is having some fat salts in less quantity. That is having least requirement in body. Hope all of you have understood. In next class I will discuss about different balanced diet, because one balanced diet is not for all aged people. Some are having different requirements that I will explain in next class. Hope all of you have understood. So today till this much only. Okay. Have a nice day ahead.